Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to install Epic Games in laptop. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click on Download Epic Games Launcher. When the download is complete, click on the file and click Run. Now in the wizard, define the path where it will be installed. Click on Install and you must click on Yes to start the process. After this, Epic Games will begin the process of downloading and installing everything necessary for optimal operation. Wait for this to end. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. It is now possible to log into Epic Games. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.